tried to shove me back inside your narrow room. Silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. So bitch, don't hang the shit on me. I'm telling you my fantasy. In all the rooms I deal in them. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You took my words and made it just silly fool. You held me down and tried to make me press. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex.